What's up guys, Daryl Lennington here from Check It Out, and it is Resident Evil Village Day. So this baby got dropped off this morning. Compliments of the guys over at Zaxa/Zappa Gaming. So yeah, we're gonna check this baby out, and the thing is, like, what I love about Zappa is the fact that they personalize everything. It's amazing. Go check them out. Like, seriously, go check them out. So here we have the collector's edition. It looks more like a travel suitcase. I have pre-opened it because there's a lot of things inside that I just didn't want to mess with, especially on film. So yeah, so you can see there's some travel stamps here. These are gorgeous. Clips for the travel suitcase. Now let's see what's inside this baby. So there we have it open. Let's move a little bit closer for you to see. Now, as I said, everything's a little personalized, so you get that. I got the Xbox edition, so there's a ZA Xbox Association sticker in there. So thanks for that, guys. You also get a really rad lanyard. Gotta love those lanyards. And then your personal note from the team at Zaxa. So what you're here for is the Resident Evil unboxing. So let's get things going. So here we have this absolute beauty. Nice little page here. It's just white. They'll be stuck on my wall. So what else you get here is you get a traveler's record. Now this is gorgeous. This showcases the art of the game. We got Winter's house over there. Let's skip a few pages, not to spoil it for those who actually bought this. And that there, what a beautiful thing to have in my collection. Now, you get this nice collectible here as well. I'm not going to open it up right away, but I will show you front and the back. So, what else do you get? You get the game, obviously. You get the game. So there it is right there. You also get the Trauma Pack DLC, which comes with the Samurai Edge and a whole bunch of cool stuff that you can read right there. Right, so I battled to get Chris out the box, which is why I kind of just unboxed him already, put him together. But inside the packaging, you will find this beautiful box right here and this beautiful statue on the left. So let's take a closer look. There's Chris in all his angry glory. Check out the absolute detail here. So you've even got his nameplate there. Take a closer look at those boots. This is a high quality statue. And I didn't actually think it was going to be this big, but it really is. It's massive and it's heavy. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, feel free to check out my channel, share it with your mates, and also check out the guys from Zappa and Zaxa Gaming. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers!